Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious jam croissants. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready. 1 sheet of puff pastry, approximately 1/2 cup of your favorite jam, and 1 egg for an egg wash. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 190 degrees Celsius. Also, line a baking sheet with parchment paper to prevent sticking and make cleanup a breeze. Now, let's prepare the pastry. Carefully unroll your sheet of puff pastry onto a surface dusted with a little flour. Using a sharp knife or pizza cutter, divide the pastry into 8 uniform triangles. Each triangle should measure approximately 4 inches across its widest part. Then, spoon about 1 tablespoon of your chosen jam onto the wider end of each pastry triangle, leaving a small border. Next, it's time to shape your croissants. Gently roll each pastry triangle from the wide, jam-filled end towards the narrow point. Curve the ends slightly to create that classic croissant shape. In a small bowl, whisk your egg to make an egg wash, then brush it evenly over the top of each croissant. Bake them in your preheated oven for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown and wonderfully puffed. Once baked, carefully remove your golden brown jam croissants from the oven. Transfer them to a wire rack and let them cool for about 10 minutes. This cooling time allows the jam to set and the pastry to firm up slightly. For an extra touch of sweetness and presentation, you can lightly dust them with powdered sugar. Now, they are ready to be served warm and enjoyed.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.